Good morning, guys. Happy Monday. Welcome to our first full week of the school year on virtual. So, we are going to have a full week of both synchronous and asynchronous activities. Um, and today we're going to start off with, for my AM session, my periods 2 and 4, we'll be live on Zoom. Period 2 is going to have a different Zoom link for today. It is both in the announcement panel at the top of the screen in Schoology and in your Zoom folder. I actually deleted the normal Zoom folder where you find the Zoom link and put in the substitute one for today so that there's no way to get confused about that. We will be joining Mrs. Jenich's class this morning to meet with Mrs. De Palma. And Mrs. De Palma will talk for about 20 minutes about Mac and Via, which is the digital source book that we have access to through the school, where you can find an independent reading novel digitally if you would like. And so we will learn about that from Mrs. De Palma for about 20 minutes or so. And then the remaining 20 minutes will be time for you to search Mac and Via. And if you had not already secured an independent reading book for our QBT, now this will be the time to get that completed and to submit to the Google form survey for that. I have not taken the time to look closely at those Google form survey results yet. However, I will start to do that this afternoon and tomorrow as students start to answer that more. Don't forget that is due completed on Friday. For those of you in my PM group today, we will be looking at the pre-assessment TDA for this marking period. So today you will access the pre-assessment. It is scored, but the score will not count in your overall score for the marking period. However, you do want to do your best job because this is the way you will know what you need to work on before the real one at the end of the marking period. And the one at the end of the marking period will count in your score. So I will be scoring this and giving you feedback, and this is your way to say, like, okay, well, I was good with this section, but I was not good with some of these other sections. So access that pre-assessment in the asynchronous folder, and today you should be spending about 45 minutes working on that. It should take you a good 60 to 90 minutes to complete this pre-assessment. It's reading something and responding to it in a formal way. You want to show your best work on this so that I know where our starting point is. That's another benefit of the pre-test is I get to know, okay, where are we starting? What are some things that I can go a little bit more quickly through? And what are some things I really need to slow down for? So show me your best work, 45 minutes today. Some of you, and then on Wednesday, we'll talk again about this. And on Wednesday, some of you might only need like 15 more minutes to finish it up. Some of you might need another full 45 minutes. So we'll kind of play that one by ear. You guys can give me some feedback tomorrow. Let me know how it's going. Let me know, I'm not going to answer all of your questions because it's a pre-assessment. So I want to make sure I'm getting, your ability and what you already know how to do, not kind of like feeding it to you because I don't, want to have to teach you twice. So, I want to see what you can do. But at the same time, if you have any like directions, questions, or things like that, I can absolutely clarify those tomorrow if you're struggling with that. But give it a shot. Make sure you are doing your best work. If for some reason you have any trouble accessing the document, let me know right away. The best way to let me know that is through Schoology message because it pops up right away. Even if I'm in Zoom, I see that come up, and I also get those on my phone. So Schoology message if you cannot get into the document. Okay? All right, guys, I will see my AM classes in a little bit. Period 4, and just in case I didn't mention it, you will have Mrs. De Palma pre-recorded because there are too many classes 4th period that we couldn't do them for everyone. So you will still come to your normal Zoom link, and I will have a recording of what Mrs. De Palma had done 2nd period. but period 2, you have your own Zoom link that you need to attend that one for today. All right, guys, I will see periods 2 and 4 soon for my period 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. If you have any difficulties, let me know, or otherwise I'll see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.